Isa ka bang YouTube vlogger working to grow your channel o kaya naman naiisip mong mag-start ng YouTube channel mo? And nag-iisip ka, what are the best vlogging tips to consider para makapag-create ka ng mga amazing content sa YouTube? Stay ka lang dahil marami kang matututunan dito sa vlog na ito. Or, posibleng makapulot ka ng mga bagong tips. Sa series ng mga YouTube vlogging tips na ipinost ko last time, you'll find tips on how to make great YouTube videos, how to gain more exposures for your channel, and overall, how to become a successful vlogger. Ito yung installment of tips na ibabahagi ko sa inyo.
Let's go! Country and sides. Food and culture. Reviews and tips. Are you ready?
Hello, dear heroes! Welcome back to my channel! Nandito na naman ako to give you tips. And of course, it's something to do with being a vlogger pa rin. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko and if you have not subscribed yet, please do so. And also, don't forget to like, share, and hit that notification bell para updated ka sa lahat ng mga video uploads natin. Kahit na matagal-tagal ka nang nagba-vlog or you're just starting out, in this video, you'll find actionable tips to boost the growth of your channel. To make it easier for everyone, hinimay-himay ko into more sections ang mga tips. So I will be posting iba't ibang mga videos, so stay tuned always. And ito na yung third installment ng mga tips natin. Pwede nyo i-check yung mga playlist ko for some other tips. So today's set of tips has something to do with vlogging tips for more exposure. First, optimize your video. Ang pinaka-main part kung paano magkakaroon ng right exposure sa YouTube ng mga videos is to use the right keywords sa iyong mga video. Meaning, the title, the tags, and video descriptions. When you use the right keywords, nakakagarantiya ako na makakakuha ka ng high ranking in YouTube search, which is very crucial to get traffic to your videos. Kapag sinerch mo kunwari ang Botanic Garden Singapore, madami kang makikitang mga suggestions sa YouTube. So, tingnan mo kung ano yung mga may pinakamalaking views doon. So, yun yung gamitin mo. Number 2, title and thumbnails. The title and the thumbnails are the first things people see when your videos are displayed in search. Isa sa mga pinaka-the best tips sa YouTube to increase the click-through rate is to use the intriguing titles na makakapag-trigger doon sa mga curiosity ng iyong mga audience. Think about your title as a clickbait, but don't make it overstated. Huwag yung magsasabi ka na nakakita ka ng napakalaking ahas, kunwari. Pero wala naman nakita sa buong video mo. Huwag yung magsisinungaling ka sa mga audience mo to get more views. Number 3, customize thumbnails. Gaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina, the thumbnails play a huge role in viewers' decision to click on YouTube videos. Always take a couple of minutes before uploading your vlogs to also create a customized thumbnails. Images with people's faces tend to get best click-through rates. You can also overlay some text related to your video titles. Siyempre, ang mas importante dito, malinaw dapat. Huwag naman yung sobrang edited na yung mga thumbnails mo. Number 4, don't forget about the description. One mistake both beginner and more experienced vloggers tend to make is to oversee the power of video description. Explain mo naman ng kaunti kung para saan ba yung video na yon. Don't stay away from explaining the content of your video in the description. And use related keywords naturally in the text. This will give your videos a boost in ranking and a better chance to show up in the up next section. Number 5 tips, closed captions. Besides helping deaf people to enjoy your content, using closed captions also boosts your YouTube video ranking. YouTube's algorithm reads the transcripts if it's provided and considers the keywords used in the content. So also make sure you say main keywords out loud in the video when recording. Ngayon, medyo nagiging okay na yung mga transcript nowadays dun sa YouTube kung mapapansin ninyo. Siyempre, kailangan din natin isaalang-alang yung mga kapatid natin na siyempre yung mga may karamdaman, di ba? Number 6, playlist. Organizing videos on YouTube with playlists increase the audience retention rate, which is an important factor in YouTube video ranking. When you have more videos related to each other, make sure you dedicate playlists so you make it easier for your followers to go through your content. Kaya kung makikita ninyo yung mga playlists ko, magkakasama yung mga videos that are related with each other. Malaking factor din ito. Number 7, encourage viewers to use playlists. If someone adds your video to one of their playlists, it means that he will come across your video in the future and remember enjoying your YouTube video channel. Even if he hasn't been an active follower, encourage your viewers to add your video in their own playlist for future reference. Parang ang nangyayari, you are promoting your video at the same time. Napopromote din yung ibang mga videos mo because of the playlist. Number 8, calls to action. The best way to get more engagement to your YouTube channel is to ask people to engage. Paano? People might not remember to like your videos or to subscribe if you don't remind them to do it. One important YouTube tips for beginners is to get used to always add a call to action at the end of the videos, inviting people to subscribe, like, or share. Pwede mong gawin ito at the beginning of your video or at the end. Pero, don't overdo it. Number 9, ask for subscribers. In order to get more followers to your YouTube channel, one vlogging tip is to give people something to subscribe for. You can say something like, don't miss the next week's episode where I'll give you the best tips for, something like that. Trigger their curiosity for your future uploads. Sabihin mo, every week ka ba nag-upload? 3 times a week ba? 2 times a week ba? Or once a week ba? Give them the excitement to look forward to watching your new uploads. Number 10, encourage commenting and likes. One important aspect of how to make a good vlog is to create an engagement community to interact with your content. The best way to stimulate comments is to address questions to your followers. Syempre, kapag may mga nag-comment sa video mo, don't forget to respond to them. Maging active tayo pagdating dito, huwag yung pupusuan mo lang siya. Huwag yung ilalike mo lang siya. Kailangan mag-respond tayo. Number 11, take advantage of the YouTube ending screen. With the help of YouTube ending screen, you can make viewers who watch your video until the end. You can add a button to subscribe, a link to your website, or add end cards to your other videos. This way, napopromote mo na din yung ibang mga videos mo. Number 12, connect with other vloggers. Vlogging on YouTube means becoming part of the community of creators who share the same passion as you. Vlogging, ano pa nga ba? Find vloggers in the same niche who are at the same level as you are and reach out to them for cross-promotion. Focus on channels with the same numbers of subscribers so you both have something to gain from the collaboration. Kung pwede ang collaboration, mas maganda. Nauuso na din naman ang mga collaborations ngayon eh. Makipagtulungan. Siyempre, kung may humingi ng tulong, huwag din naman tayo magmadamot, hindi ba? Number 13, comment on vlogs and blogs. Commenting on other creators' videos is one way on how to get exposure on YouTube. Find related YouTube channels and vlogs and give feedback on their content. If your comments are interesting, funny, or insightful, other viewers will see them and become intrigued by you. They'll check out your channel and maybe subscribe if they enjoy your vlogs. Don't waste time on spamming and self-promotion. Nobody likes it. Leave only genuine comments. Huwag mo na gawin yung mga, nadalaw na kita ha, dalawin mo na rin yung bahay ko, or sub for sub keme. Huwag na effect yun. Sayang lang ang oras mo. Number 14, promote on social media. Even though the biggest part of traffic YouTube comes from internal search, you can boost the traffic to your channel by leveraging social media. Paano nga ba yung leveraging social media? Find relevant Facebook groups where you can share your vlogs with a possible audience. See which social media platforms your audience use most and choose accordingly. You can use your Twitter, any form of social media na pwede mong ma-promote ang mga videos mo. Number 15, get feedback. To keep improving and growing, it's important to know what to improve. Siyempre, hindi ba? The feedback you receive in the comments from the audience is the most valuable source of vlogging tips to improve your content. Pero siyempre, when I say get feedback, take it constructively. Bashing man yan or whatever, take it as your inspiration. Number 16, become part of the vlogging community. To get more tips for vlogging and even more feedback on your videos from other content creators. There, you can find other vloggers dedicated to YouTubers, where content creators help each other out with tips, feedbacks, and promotion. Number 17, have a complete profile. Some notable tips for a successful YouTube channel are to take care of how your whole channel looks like. Meaning, you should have a great icon, a neat channel art, and a compelling channel description. And also, don't forget to add links to your social profile on your channel. So ayan mga vijeros, here's some tips that I'm sharing with you today. For those who are starting to vlog, or pwede din yung mga medyo matagal-tagal na sa YouTube, dapat lang naman natin na alam natin ang mga tips na ito, hindi ba? And sana, you have learned a lot today, not only for those who wish to start vlogging, pero even those who have already started. Ayan. Hanggang sa muli mga vijeros. Ako po si Renan El Vijero. Magkita-kita po tayo muli sa susunod nating mga videos. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, ano pang hinihintay mo? Baka naman dyan, mag-subscribe ka na. And also, don't forget to like, share, and hit that bell para updated ka sa weekly videos natin. Alright? Spread love, not hate. Bye!